We appreciate the excellent support they have gotten, especially from the community. And as they've been progressing, Simba, you remember, I call you Simba because that is the brand name, my governor. You remember when Shabana was struggling to get into NSL, sometime 2018. We came together, we supported them. Unfortunately, we were beaten by Mwatate FC. And this time round, they have been wonderful throughout the journey. And even when they met challenges, they reached out to yourself and to our friends, and we continually continued to put in our hand where it was possible. And we are glad that you managed to get us these wonderful sponsors who are going to work with us this journey. And I believe if we sign about 5-6 very good top players, we can do what Sofapaka did. Sindio? Yeah, because Sofapaka advanced and came to the Premier League and won it the same season. Isn't that possible? Si tunaweza? So we appreciate the sponsors, and we also ask the management to also organize something, a get together where we can contribute something, because that was the initial plan that we had, so that we contribute something, our team to have a free flow throughout this season, and we hope that they perform well, and even if they don't win the league, but I believe we'll be among the top 3. And Governor, we appreciate that you've started renovating our home ground, that is the Gusii Stadium, and we are looking forward to attending quite a number of matches there. Tunashukuru sana the excellent team ambayo imekuwa ikiendeleza timu yetu, na nimetumwa na salamu nyingi sana kutoka kwa Evans Kibagendi ambaye ni mmoja wenu. Nimetoka function yake. Kwa hivyo tunashukuru sana gavana. Na kitu ningetaka kusema my senior ndugu Jared, Shabana is a community club. This is not a property of Governor Simba Arati. It is not a governor of our wing of the political divide. This is a community club that must be embraced by everyone. And so we invite even those friends of ours who think that we are dominating in associating with this wonderful club. Let them come on board. Let us all work together towards transforming the community clubs that we have. And we indeed invite them. Na hatuna maneno nao vile wanazungumza. They've gone to take over another club, which we also appreciate. We want to work with all these teams that we are looking at working with. Tunashukuru sana na Mwenyezi Mungu awabariki. Ni hao. Welcome to Kenya, and thank you for the support. Asante sana.